Tippy tippy top, what color you want? So this is a very old game which I used to make when I was in school, and I suppose most of you have made it, and it goes by many names. It can be called a tip top, flip flop, chip chop, day night, fortune teller, and n number of things. But this is one of the most basic designs in origami, and today we are gonna see how it's made. We start with a square sheet of paper, and firstly we want to figure out what is the center of the square sheet of paper. So for that, what we'll do is we'll first fold this in half, and we just want a small crease over here, and then we fold again on the other side in half, and a small crease here. So if you look at this point here is the center. Now we are going to do a move which is called the blitz base. So in a blitz base, what we do is we take all the corners and we push them on the center. So I'll take this corner and I'll put it here exactly on the center and fold. So with all four sides, it's called a blitz. Now, a tippy top, a flip flop, fortune teller, whatever you want to call it, it is actually something which is just a blitz, then a reverse, and blitz again. That's it. So how are we going to do blitz again? So we already have the center over here. This is again a square. So we'll just take these corners and push them on the center, just like that. Okay, and how do we fold this? So we just fold this in half in one direction, then fold this again in half in the other direction, and then push this apart. So you'll see that we have got these parts which can be opened up. And there you go. So this is a tip top, flip flop, day night, fortune teller for you. Color it, play it with your kids, and there you go. Happy folding.